respected teachers, school administrators, my fellow PAC officers, and my dear students. A pleasant morning to all of you. Today is a very special moment for me because this is the time that I say goodbye to my journey to Manila Academic Council. My PAC journey started when I was in grade 2, where I served as a grade 3 representative. In grade 4, I became a peace and order officer. In grade 5, I served as a treasurer. And in grade 6, I was given the privilege to serve as a PAC president. For 4 years, the PAC has been a responsibility, a learning experience, and an opportunity to serve our school community. I'm especially proud of what we accomplished as a team this year with the help of my teachers, fellow PAC officers, parents, and my fellow students. We have the response to the vacation of the education environment, the provision of water dispensers, and the Lakbay Aral educational trip. Some of the most memorable memories from the Lakbay Aral were the pottery making, Kalamat City, and, of course, the Kawikan Hatchery Learning activity. These are memories that we will surely carry with us for a long time. None of these would be possible without the help of my fellow PAC officers, Marcos, Abby, Audrey, Jamie, JC, Erin, Gab, Tony, and Alma. Maraming salamat sa inyo for your dedication, teamwork, and friendship. I would also like to give a special mention to my sister, Artemis Soriano, who is also a PAC officer and is currently running for secretary. I'm proud of you for continuing the spirit of service, and I know that you will do a great job in serving our fellow students. And of course, I would like to thank our teachers and school administrators for guiding us, supporting our projects, and trusting us with the responsibility to lead. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And to the next set of leaders, continue serving with dedication, integrity, and heart. As I say goodbye to my as PAC president, there is one thing I know that I will definitely miss. Standing in front of everyone and proudly saying, Kanatilas Soriano!
responsable at ipagkakatiwalaan. Kung ako po ay ipinoboto, gagawin ko ang aking tungkulin at mabuti. Sisilapin ko isulat at maayos ang mga plano at gawain upang mas maging malinaw ang mauuwain ng konseho. Bilang isang mag-aaral, alam ko rin po ang mahalaga na makinig sa ating kaklase at igalang ang kanilang mga ideya. Kahit tayo ay bata pa, kaya pa rin po natin maging masipag, maresponsable at maging mabuting leader sa ating paaralan. Kaya mga kaibigan at ang aking kapwa na mag-aaral, sana po ay bigay niyo sa akin ang inyong suporta at tiwala. Muli, ako po si Salve Mauhay Gutierrez, ang inyong sekretary na handang maglingkod. Sa sipag at talino, hindi nagpapatalo. Pagdating sa serbisyo, sigurado, ganado. Organize, mabilis at laging handa. Para sa sekretary, si Salve Lama! Maraming salamat po! Para sa inyong lahat!
Thank you, Sider. Now, we will hear from our aspiring treasurer, Raja Beatriz P. Dacio.
Alam po sa ating principal, mga guro, at ang aking pangakamaral. Ako po si Raja Beatriz P. Dacio, tumatakbo bilang treasurer ng UPLAC University. Bilang treasurer, isiguraduhin ko na ang ating pera ay responsable sa akin at maayos itong ginagawa. Para sa ating mga proyekto, gawain sa paaralan. Pangako ko na magiging tapat, responsable, at mapapagkatiwalaan ako sa mga tungkulin. Mga kaibigan, kung tapat ang pinagkakalat ko, ako ang inyong iboto. Isa pa, ang ibig sabihin ng natin ay responsable sa pagdalo ng pera, A. Asal sa tawag gawain, J. Justice honor sa pagdalo ng pondo, D. Alam na ang bawat piso ng paaralan. Don't let your vote go to waste. Vote Raja Beatriz P. Dacio. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Raja. Now, we will hear from our aspiring public information officer, Javier D.H.F. Magsimo. Now, we will hear from our aspiring peace and order officer, Kylie Alison G. Ramos. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Ako si Kaya Alison G. Ramos, tumatakbo bilang inyong Peace and Order Officer. Bago ang lahat, may-make sure ko na hindi po ako magiging ang pulis. Dahil aking nangingatay. Nagtulong ako para i-make sure ang lahat ay safe at masaya para sa ating lahat. Simple lang po ang aking mga plano. Ang una ay makinig. Kung may tulong, makinig pa rin po ako sa magpapalik ng bukas. Pangalawa, tumulong. Sisiguraduhin kong maayos at safe ang mga sa bawat school event. Number 3, maging kaibigan. Huwag kayong matakot sa akin. Bakit kayo pag may kailangan kayo? Ang gusto ko, ang school na may puno ng disiplina. Pero, puno ng respeto. Sa eleksyon, huwag mo bumoto ng tahan. Bumoto ng may malasakit. Muli, kaya Alison G. Ramos, Peace Officer. Kaayusin ng dala para sa school na masaya. Maraming salamat po.
Are hardworking, reliable, approachable, friendly, and trustworthy. In fact, she's an honor student. Yes, she is a chance but she can only assure you one thing, that she can go to her greatest experience. Let's give it up for our secretary, Sally!
Good day, teachers! Magising na ba kayo? Sino na po kaya ang makakilala sa akin dito? Sino?
words of inspiration.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, so, una sa lahat, I would like to thank all the candidates for making yourselves available para maging leader ng ating PAC at SAC dito sa ating paaralan. So lahat naman kayo ay capable na maging mga leaders. I would like to remind you that to be a good leader, you have to be a good follower. Walang magaling na leader na hindi marunong sumunod. So ibig sabihin, kung gusto nyo na sumunod sa inyo ang mga ibang estudyante dito sa DNI, sa ating school, dapat kayo rin marunong munang sumunod sa mga policies, sa mga rules na isesetut nyo. Dapat kayo ang unang susunod at magiging mabuting halimbawa para sa iba nating mga schoolmates dito sa ating paaralan. So, hindi porkit ikaw ay naging officer, naging leader, kung ano ang posisyon, ay gagamitin mo yung iyong posisyon, yung iyong office, yung iyong power to rule over sa iba nating mga kasamahan. That's the wrong way to see what leadership is all about. Si Jesus Christ, being the Son of God, siya ay leader. He leads everyone, but He leads by being a good servant to everybody. So yun ang gusto kong a very important reminder sa lahat ng mga kandidato para maging officers ng PAC at SAC dito sa ating paaralan. You will be having a position, you will hold power, pero use that power in order to serve our school, to be of service to our students. So once again, salamat at kayo ay nag-volunteer na maging to run for these particular positions sa ating paaralan. Sana gamitin natin ang pagkakataon ito not just to be famous. Makikilala ka, ikaw ang president ng PAC, president ng SAC. That's very good. Pero hindi dapat magiging mayabang. Because to be a true leader, you have to set a good example by being a good follower first. So again, congratulations to everyone. Lahat kayo ay worthy to become officers, to become leaders of our school, provided that you will use your office to be of service, to be a good follower, to be a good example to every other student here in our school. Good morning again to everyone. Enjoy the rest of the morning, of the day, and God bless you all. Palakpakan rin natin ang ating mga candidates for the coming school year, PAC and SAC officers. God bless you all. Okay. Good soon.